Lalita Rao Sahib is a mechanical engineer by profession but has always loved to cook. Her dream was to create healthy and delicious food for all. So in 1999, she became an entrepreneur, and today her Bengaluru-based venture, Nathatch Nutricare Technologies, manufactures all kinds of dry and instant food mixes.
We have all instant mixers, spice mixers, and nutritional supplements, and soup mixers, and all the products we have the dry blending capacity. So all in dry mixers, all instant mixers we make.
Lalita's husband Rao Sahib takes care of the marketing and finances of the company. What started as a one-room enterprise with a single machine is today under his guidance manufacturing products for some of the biggest names in India. Nathatch makes Sunfeast pasta treat for ITC as well as several instant mixes for the famous retail chain Nilgiris among others. The company achieved a turnover of over 2 crore rupees last year, but taste and quality are its only parameters for measuring success.
It is not that price matters. Even for a consumer, the price is not that very important, but the quality is very important. Even if price is little more than the market price, they don't mind it, but quality is very important, and the taste is another unique thing we have got it.
Because the taste, it is very much important. So we do the sensory along with the quality test and micro test, and then only after all the test it passes, then it goes for the packing.
It is this steadfast belief in serving customers with the best possible products that makes Nathatch a preferred brand. Its consistent taste, quality and business practices are something that all its clients rave about.
They are very good at the quality standards, and they are receptive to every ideas of what ITC, and they are receptive to the quality standards as well as the production schedules.
Nathatch has now spread its wings and recently launched its own line of products under the brand name of Udupi Ruchi. It is not just targeted domestic market, but has slowly widened its reach to international markets as well. Post-recession, the demand for dry instant food mixes has once again caught up in the international market, and Nathatch is cashing in on that.
Earlier, before the recession, we used to do export for Vatanmal for African market, and after the recession and food inflation, the exports have come down drastically. But with our new brand Udupi Ruchi and all, already we have started sending samples to Sri Lanka, Singapore, Malaysia and UK, USA, where a lot of Indians are there.
Nathatch ensures a family-like work atmosphere to motivate its employees. Every day at the factory begins with a morning prayer and an oath by the workers to maintain hygiene. Over 140 employees of the company work hard to create delicious products for their consumers, and their employer in return takes good care of them.
मैं गांव का आदमी हूँ. मैं इधर आने के बाद थोड़ा पहले 800 रुपये सैलरी मिलता था, तो अभी तो 20,000 तक मिल रहा है. तो ये देखा तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. तो कंपनी तो ऐसा है, मैनेजमेंट बहुत अच्छे से देख रहा है, तो लोगों को पूरा आदमी को ऐसा देख रहा है.
They feel this is a food product because our end customers, they should enjoy the product and they should enjoy the taste. So with that good thinking only, all the employees will be working here.
After a detailed analysis of the markets in South India, Lalita and Rao Sahib have developed a unique marketing model called My Family Biz for their brand Udupi Ruchi. A model that not just sells the product, but also empowers women. Asha, a homemaker and a member of this marketing model, earns a profit of 15% every time she convinces other women to become members. Further, whenever her customers make more clients for the company, she gets a profit of 7.5%, and the chain carries on up to 7 levels of women members.
My husband runs a medical shop, okay? And in that I have taken a little space from him, like a counter, whole counter, where I have displayed the products very nicely to attract people. My margin is, I get, the first member gets 15%, 7%, 3.5%, and it continues like half the share, and till the last level will be gaining, each and every member will be gaining from that.
My Family Business is a new unique concept of consumer-to-consumer network business. Here the membership is open only for a lady. Every month she has to purchase just 200 rupees worth product for herself. If she starts consuming 200 rupees worth product, she'll be getting 15% profit share. That is 30 rupees. The next stage is she can start enrolling as many members as like she wants under her. Thereof, sitting at home while preparing the food product for the family, enjoying the food product, she can start from 30 rupees to 3 lakh per month.
Lalita and Rao Sahib are not just skilled entrepreneurs, but are good Samaritans too. For the last 10 years, they've been taking a 284-kilometer long walk from Bengaluru to Tirupati every year to raise funds for various social causes. It's an act, they say, that gives them satisfaction and keeps them firmly grounded.
So every year we are doing walkathon for a social cause with a generation of funds. So how we generate the fund is every kilometer we ask for the sponsorship. That is 2,000 rupees per kilometer, and 284 kilometer into 2, almost 5.5-6 lakhs we generate through our walkathon. With this money we have built multi-disabled children residential school in rural belt, and we have last year we did walkathon for creating an autism awareness on autism disease.
This is one type of recharging our battery. So we'll get that determination through that walking for our business, which is very much important. So that courage to face whatever the crisis comes, we will overcome that.
With orders from big names in the food industry, a brand name of its own, and a unique way of empowering women, Nathatch NutriCare Technologies is constantly breaking new ground and flying high in the skies of entrepreneurship.